Your iPhone is powerful, but what if I told you that with the right apps, it can be even better? App 1. Arc Search. It is the modern mobile browser designed to get you answers faster, without the usual internet clutter. Search in the way that suits you. Text, voice, or let Arc handle it with Browse for Me and Pinch to summarize. It turns web pages into easy-to-digest insights, so no more endless scrolling. Enjoy an ad-free, distraction-free experience with automatic blocking of ads, trackers, and pop-ups. App 2. Yuka. Next, we have Yuka, the app that will make you question everything in your fridge. Scan food and cosmetic barcodes to instantly get a health rating, plus a breakdown of questionable ingredients. Ever heard of parafenum liquidum or phenoxyethanol? Me neither, but Yuka will tell you exactly what they do and whether they're risky. You'll be rethinking your entire pantry. Guaranteed. App 3. Not Boring. Weather. Tired of boring weather apps? Not Boring Weather turns your forecast into an immersive experience with 3D animations. Feel the rain, hear the thunder, and watch the wind. Get accurate, minute-by-minute updates with data from top sources, plus severe weather alerts, moon phases, air quality, and pollen levels. Customize with app icons and skins, and enjoy mini-games while you check the weather. App 4. 1sec. Addicted to social media? 1sec is the ultimate guilt trip app. Every time you try to open Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, it makes you pause, breathe, and reconsider whether you actually need to open the app. Spoiler alert, you usually don't. It's a lifesaver if you want to reduce mindless scrolling and take back control of your time. App 5. Flighty. Live flight tracker. Stay ahead with real-time flight updates, live tracking, and the fastest delay alerts, often hours before airlines notify you. Get detailed insights like why your flight is delayed, gate changes, taxi times, and weather alerts. Track your aircraft 25 hours in advance, see proximity radar, and access pilot-grade FAA and Eurocontrol data. App 6. Brain.fm. Need laser-sharp focus? Brain.fm uses AI-generated music to boost productivity, relaxation, or sleep. It's scientifically backed and actually works, whether you're studying, working, or meditating. The only downside? It used to be free, but now there's a trial version before you have to pay. But hey, try it and see if it works for you. App 7. Delta. If you're longing for the nostalgia of those classic Nintendo games, Delta is the perfect solution for you. This incredible emulator allows you to immerse yourself in the vibrant worlds of NES, SNES, and Game Boy classics, all from the comfort of your iPhone. Simply load your favorite games and transport yourself back to those cherished childhood moments, whether you're at home or on the go. To ensure you make the most of this fantastic tool, check out our detailed YouTube video guide, which walks you through every step of the setup and gameplay process. Happy gaming! App 8. Cheatsheet. Your pocket-sized memory bank. Need to store Wi-Fi passwords, locker codes, or business registration numbers? Instead of scrolling through your Notes app like an archaeologist, just add them to the cheat sheet. The best part? It syncs with widgets and Spotlight Search, so you can find your saved info without even opening the app. It's simple, but trust me, you'll wonder how you lived without it. App 9. Grit. Daily Habit Tracker. Struggling to stick to your habits? Grit makes building good habits and breaking bad ones easier than ever. With smart reminders, achievement milestones, and Apple Health integration, this app keeps you motivated and on track. Plus, you get widgets for quick progress checks, useful stats, and even Siri shortcuts for seamless habit tracking. Whether it's fitness, productivity, or mindfulness, Grit helps you stay consistent and hit your goals. App 10. AppRaven. Looking to stretch your budget? AppRaven is your ultimate companion for discovering price drops in the App Store. With its intuitive tracking system, you can effortlessly seize the opportunity to download premium apps for free or at a significant discount. Say goodbye to missing out on incredible deals. Let AppRaven ensure you never overlook a fantastic offer again. App 11. Raindrop. Are you a bookmark hoarder? Raindrop is your ultimate solution, functioning much like Pinterest but specifically designed for articles, videos, and links. This innovative tool helps you keep your digital treasures meticulously organized, ensuring that you can easily retrieve and enjoy them whenever you need. Say goodbye to chaotic bookmark lists, and hello to a beautifully curated collection that enhances your browsing experience. App 12, Final Cut Camera. Transform your iPhone into a professional-grade camera with Final Cut Camera, designed specifically for video creators. This powerful app offers complete control over exposure, white balance, and frame rate, allowing you to craft visually stunning content with precision and creativity. Ideal for content creators seeking to elevate their videography to new heights. App 13, WeTransfer. Looking for a fast and effortless way to send large files? Look no further than WeTransfer. This user-friendly platform allows you to seamlessly share videos, photos, PDFs, and much more, all without the hassle of overwhelming your email inbox. Best of all, there's no need to create an account. Simply upload your files and share the generated link with ease. Experience the convenience of sharing large files today. App 14, Fantastical Calendar. If you've ever struggled to keep track of your busy schedule, Fantastical is a game changer. It's the award-winning calendar app that makes managing your events feel easy and, honestly, fun. With natural language text parsing, beautiful calendar views, and even weather forecasts, staying on top of things has never been this simple. You can add events, tasks, and even check the 3-day weather with AccuWeather. All right, that's 14 incredible iPhone apps. Which one was your favorite? If you found this video helpful, tap that like button and subscribe for more.